So Tash, why would you bother with getting bookkeeping done?
Well, that's what a lot of people actually ask us.
G'day, Llew from Elgas here. Today I'm here with my fellow partner Natasha to talk about bookkeeping.
Hi, it's lovely to be here today.
So Tash, why would you bother with getting bookkeeping done?
Well, that's what a lot of people actually ask us. So people need to get bookkeeping done to make sure that their accounts and records are kept up to date and to have accurate information that they can then report to the tax office and for their own records.
Yeah, great. And how often do you think we should do it?
Well, that's a good question. So bookkeeping really should be kept, as we said, up to date, which means ideally it should be done every week,
Right, yeah.
but sort of at a minimum every month.
Okay, that sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
It does.
And what sort of things can you get out of doing bookkeeping?
So the main things you can get out of doing bookkeeping are up-to-date reports. So you can actually see how your business is tracking along, and if it's up to date, it is live and accurate information.
Tash, what sort of thing would you expect your accountant to tell you about the bookkeeping, given that you're paying for it, so you expect some value out of it?
That's one question we get a lot is why get my books done and what value will I receive? So the main thing that you'd get from doing bookkeeping is knowing that your books have been reconciled and checked each month or each period that you're getting it done for. So you'd be then getting a batch of reports at the end so you can check how your business is going and look at the numbers. Your accountant can also help you interpret those numbers if you're unsure on what they actually mean so that you're actually looking at these reports and getting meaningful information out of them.
So your accountant actually help you grow your business?
That is correct. Your accountant should be helping you grow your business and giving proactive advice and suggestions on how you can actually improve as you're going along.
Gee, that'd be awesome, wouldn't it?
It is.
If only all accountants did that sort of thing. So that sounds fantastic, Tash, but why would you outsource it?
So one of the main values things is that you would just not have to worry about getting your books done. Us as the accountant would then be able to get all your information from various sources and get your accounts done with very minimal help from yourself.
That sounds really good. So you can get on with running your business yourself.
You can get on to things that what's important to making more money.
And what sorts of software might you use to do your books with?
So it really depends on what the client needs are. So all the accounting software is tailored and the choice of software is tailored to what the client needs. But our preference, if we're choosing software, would generally be Xero because of how easy it is to use. And if the clients need to go in and get something themselves, they're actually able to navigate around and you don't need to be an accountant to use it. But we also use other software like MyOld, QuickBooks, some of the older style software as well.
Yep.